Hello, I'm back. When I last recorded a video, I was getting ready to move. So I live in the US and was moving from Washington State to California for a new job. Now I'm in California. Since I knew it was going to be a while before I could actually do any woodworking again, I thought that I would make a really quick video before leaving Washington. I managed to record most of the content of the video, but I didn't get to the intro or outro. So I'm recording the intro now and the outro very shortly, and then I'll put it together and share it. The idea was just to make some new push sticks. So I've had this plastic one for 5 or 6 years. It's decent, it's lightweight. You can see it's been chewed up quite a bit over the years, but it works pretty well. The main problem with it is that it is long. There isn't a good way to use it kind of up close. And so some types of pieces are a lot harder or less safe to push than others. So I decided to look at some different videos online. I found an old video by Jay Bates where he made some push sticks that I really liked. So I copied/modified those. Well, we're back in California. I don't think I'll show off yet because I still haven't kind of gotten the garage very organized. But I do have those push sticks that I made. So I made two different ones. I made one with a really shallow overhang and then one with a much bigger overhang. And the idea is just that makes it easier to work with different thicknesses, so I can work with like a 1/4 inch sheet of plywood with this one very easily and something thicker with this one. So I am really excited to be back, almost ready to do woodworking again. I have a little bit of cleanup to do. I have some new challenges here that I'm renting this place and there isn't a great opportunity for me to put stuff up on the walls, so I'm going to have to make some new ways of organizing tools. But look forward to making some new videos in the near future.